Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Ishan R. Hope you will be okay. Today I'm going to teach you all of the ways that you can respond to thank you. It's completely not truly well to find only one way and to say again and again and again, right? So don't use you're welcome. Don't say you're welcome. Instead of welcome, I will show you more ways. Definitely, your vocabulary skills and your speaking skills will be improved if you watch this video, and you should use these sentences while speaking and don't skip because this video will be helpful for you, I believe. So let's get started. So number one, you're truly welcome, or you can say you are truly welcome. When someone says to you thank you, so you can use, you can respond by this sentence that you're truly welcome. Number two, no problem. When someone says to you that thank you, so you can respond by this sentence that no problem. Number three, when someone says to you thank you, so you can respond by this sentence as well. Sure, my pleasure. Sure, my pleasure. Number four, instead of welcome, you can respond by this one as well. It was nothing. It was nothing. It means it wasn't a big deal. Number five, instead of welcome, you can respond by this one as well. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Number six, instead of welcome, you can use this one as well. Or anytime. Or anytime. Number seven, instead of welcome, you can use this one either. No worries. No worries. Number eight, the last one, which is too much unique for me. I really stand for it that I use it every time when someone says to me thank you. So I use this one. I respond them by this dissonance that is glad to be of any assistance. Glad to be of any assistance. So it means that I will be happy for every kind of assistance if there is. So this one is too much unique and I really like it, and I use every time when someone says to me thank you. So I respond them by this one. So these sentences are all about that you can use instead of welcome. Not all of them, just adopt anyone, okay? Just adopt anyone and continue it then. And by the time they adopt another one and another one, okay? Like I said that your speaking skills and your vocabulary skills will be improved if you adopt anyone. So watch till end and be here. I believe you enjoyed my video, and I believe you will learn these sentences as well.